Very good afternoon. Today we are here for the demo session of your data science. So first of all, we will discuss about what is data and what is data science. So firstly, data is a simple thing that we have collect from the different sources. Okay, and what is the science? Like in our previous classes from our childhood, when we are in the sixth or seventh standard, we will learn about the science. The science is the do something, do research on our data, do something and find out something related to a particular thing. Yeah, so here we are going with the concept of a data science. It means we will research on our data, we will find the insights from our data before moving to forward again, or we will going deep toward the data science. Tell you about the trainer. I have experience over 2 years and 4 months of experience in particular field, and I have trained 500 plus students and 200 plus industry professions in the fields of the emerging technologies like Python, AI, IoT, machine learning, cybersecurity, blockchain, web development, and many more. I am certified from the IBM in the artificial intelligence. I have a badges of a instructor batch of a cybersecurity, enterprise design thinking, and artificial intelligence. Along with that, I have done the certification from the IBM in the data visualization with Python, data science with Python, the machine learning with Python. Now we will come to our main point. What is the demo? Yeah, what is the I can say data? Why you are conducted here? So I mean say that what do you will get after, yeah, what do you will achieve on or after completing the this course. Okay, so firstly in as you know that data science has a life cycle. Yeah, for each and every process has its own life cycle. For example, if you just want to construct your a new house, then you also have to follow the one life cycle. Like firstly you have to purchase the place, after that you have to pass out your map, house map from the particular person's municipal corporation. After that you will hire the construction persons like laborers and any other things. After that you will start preparing your house. After completing the exterior purpose, you will work on your interiors of your house. Same as each and everything have its own plan, own life cycle. So for the data science, we also have a life cycle. Like we will start from our data gathering. Data gathering means like from where you will get the data. A simple thing like I planned a trip with my friends. Okay, so I just planned. Hey, I just have to visit to the Goa. Yeah, anything else. So before visiting, before start our journey, I have to plan each and everything. Like I have to carry this much, this type of a clothes, this types of food things, this type of uh, anything, electronic things, anything related to that. I have to plan each and everything. So if you have a problem statement, like in a data science, you will get a problem statement. Like I just want to increase my revenue of my company. Like I am a owner of a marketing company. I said that here, why my revenue becomes like they follow the negative direction. Why they are following negative direction? Why I can't get a good revenue? What are the reasons behind that? I will ask my manager, HR, and any other one who is the finance analyst. I will ask from them or from him कि why our company don't get a good hike or a good revenue. Then they have a lot of the factors for that. Okay, so I have a problem statement. I have to check that a person buy insurance or not. These are all types of the problem statements. So you need the data according to that problem statement. I give you another example. When the Oppo, I think you are all very well about the Oppo. Oppo is the brand of a mobile industry, and the Oppo will be launched. Oppo launched. They have a great number of the users, but after some time, when the Redmi and Vivo will be launched, they lost their users. Why? Because the users analyze that there are a lot of the loopholes in the Oppo. Then Oppo conduct a survey regarding the mobile users. They will target the Android users, iOS users, and BlackBerry users. They will collect the data regarding their issues and regarding their plus points, why they use iOS, why they use Android phones, why they use BlackBerry phones. After that, collect the they will analyze that data and create their own operating system, that is the colors operating system. So firstly they will collect the data and they work on that. So each and every project, their initial stage will be getting the data. So in this particular course, first we will learn how you will get the data. There's a lot of the factors where we will collect the data. After collecting the data, after gathering the data, you will have to clean that data. Clean means like you have to remove the empty values. You have to you have to convert something data to some in the something another format. Like there will be a date format, but when the user will enter the value, yeah, enter the data in that particular column, they by mistake they will enter a wrong format. So these all are the cleaning method. Like you have to clean your data. After that, you have to prepare your data. Like how we will analyze the things from that data. Okay. After that, you will visualize. Visualize means what you will find out from that data. Like you will have to prepare the uh, bar chart, line chart, uh, scatter plot, any. There are a lot of the there are the 26 types of the plottings that we have learned later. So means like in a 26 formats you will choose any of them and you will visualize your data. Like simple like in the simple thing, like I said it, in the stock market, if you have visited any website like a babyrex, a webrex, angel broking, any other website, you will find out the insight like on the 20th of December, the price of this particular cryptocurrency was like this much, and after 1 month, like on the 20th of Jan, this price will be goes to this. Then you will get a line chart. You will get a line chart on the 20th of December. The price was 26 and 27. On the I said that on the 23rd of December, the rate will become a rate reduced. Like this type of graph, like up, down, up, down, up, down. Fluctuations you can see in your graph. That is the visualization. This is all about the data science. We will play with data. In short, you can say that we will play with data. After that, we will implement the algorithms. There's a lot of the algorithm related to the machine learning. On that, we will predict something. Like said that I just want to predict that tomorrow will be a rain or a not. They're the best example of the weather forecasting. That tomorrow will be a rain or a not. That is the prediction part. That will done with the help of the machine learning. In the machine learning, we have three types of learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. And in the supervised learning, we have a different types of the algorithm. Same as it is in the unsupervised learning, we have a different type of the algorithms. And in the reinforcement learning, we also have different types of algorithms. So we will work on all the algorithms. After that, we have a case study regarding studio machine learning. Like I will give an example to you. In my mind, I have a one case study regarding to the Chicago. There is Chicago. In the Chicago, there will be a case study related to a bicycle. A company that provide a bicycle to their resident persons, that they will hire a bicycle from particular location and they will visit anywhere and they will drop that bicycle from anywhere. Okay, like they have to pay only that much for you. I will give an example that in Chandigarh we have a smart bicycles, right? Same example I will take an case study of a Chicago bicycle. Okay, they will predict that by they will get uh, less users. Why? What are the challenges they are facing to attract the more persons? These are the case study that we have studied later. Okay, after that, SAS is the uh, software in which we will learn, or we will implement the strategies related to the data science. After that, Tableau is a professional tool on which you just have to drag and drop in each and everything. This is a graphical user interface. On Before Tableau, we will learn the backend part, how the tools are work actually in the backend part. The Tableau, you have a front end part. You will implement the uh, analysis, you will prepare the reports, each and everything. After that, you will learn the Microsoft Excel. In the Excel, you have a lot of the functions, lot of the uh, formulas like a VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, how you will find out the missing values from your Excel. Each and everything that will be done with the help of the programming languages or the machine learning. We will also implement that thing with the Excel. These are the scope of your particular course. After that, we will move toward the course outline, what we actually have. Like firstly, there's the roadmap for the data science. Like firstly, you will learn what is the data and what is the meaning of the data science and what do you the what the data science term stands, where the data science term stands in the market, or why we need data science in a recent day, and what are the different roles of the data scientist and data science. After completing this course, on which job positions you can apply, you will get the basics of the data. After that, they are the most popular language related to data science is that the Python. We will cover the basic fundamentals of the Python, like how we will create the variables in the Python. After that, list, tuple, dictionary, data structures of a Python, data types of a Python, loops, if conditions, loops, control flow statement, how we will declare the functions, each and everything. After that, we will work on the multiple libraries related to data science like pandas, numpy, and pandas and numpy. After that, we will move toward the visualization part. In visualization, you will learn Seaborn library and Matplotlib. After that, there are the statistical parts like a mean, median, most standard deviations, and lot of the things. These are the minimum functions related to the statistics. Like we have also studied the statistics in our 10th and senior secondary classes standards. Okay. After that, we have a machine learning. The machine learning, how the machine learning is different from our traditional learning. For example, like you have visited to the Amazon and you will search anything related to your electronic things. For example, I will search for the laptop. Okay. And after that, I have visited to the website. I will login into YouTube or any other like website. So I will get the advertisement later to my laptop that I have searched on the Amazon. Then a question arises in our mind that how this system or how the YouTube will get any response that ki, I am interested in this particular laptop. We will get the ads related to particular that laptop. Like I will search the uh, Lenovo something laptop. So I will get the ad of processors, Lenovo's, like Lenovo provide a 60% discount on this particular ID. This festival season will come and you will get this type of discount. Like these all are the interrelated. How they will possible only with the help of the machine learning. Machine learning is also used in the digital marketing, also used in the search engine optimization. Each and everything now machine learning will be the part of every technology. After that, we will move toward the logistic part. Like I will already mention that in the machine learning, we have a different types of the algorithms. So regression is also a one of them. In a regression, we will predict something. Whenever we just predicting some value, we will cover that particular prediction into our regression part. After that, random forest decision tree is also a part of the machine learning, unsupervised learning. After that, NLP stands for the natural language processing. This is also a part of the machine learning. Next, there will be most important, like what are the add-on in our topic. Like we have an add-on like a SkyPy. SkyPy is a scientific computing. Scientific computing means like a searcher do the scientific, like they will do some research and they will implement that strategy into the world. So that thing we will done with the SkyPy. Like we will find out the insights, we will find out some results from our data, and we will implement our prediction with the help of a SkyPy. After a Spark, after that we will move toward the deep learning, the AI part. Now, I think you are all familiar with the deep learning and AI part. I will explain that. AI stands for the artificial intelligence and the deep learning. In that means you will learn about the computer vision, how the computer will see you. Like I will give you an example. Like you will voice recognition system, speech to text, text to speech, each all are the factors or all the examples of the deep learning and the AI. After that, you will learn the powerful tool, that is the open source tool, that is the Hadoop and the Spark. With the help of the Hadoop and Spark, we also do the analysis part that we already complete with our Python. Same thing we will did with the help of the Hadoop and Spark. After that, there will be a front end part, that will be a Tableau. In the Tableau, you will also analysis and generate the reports, and you will represent that reports to your college. Submit that report into your college, or if you are a professional, then you will show your reports to your clients. Okay. After that, MongoDB stands for the NoSQL database. It is a NoSQL database. Like whenever you will fetch the data from your multiple sources, then you will also fetch the data from your databases. For example, you or else, maybe you know that web scraping. Web scraping means ki like you will scrap the data from your website, like something this are currently this is become a more trending, that web scraping. It means like you will scrap the data, you will copy the data from your website. So on, like on a website there are something uh, some data that are related to your database. So on that, have a good knowledge about the database. So here we will cover the MongoDB. After MongoDB, we have a SAS and Excel. Already mentioned that in the Excel we will did all the things that we have done with the programming language. So this is the course outline of your particular data science course. After that, in this whole period, like I have mentioned here, like uh, 10 or 18 points, 18 topics, and with the help of these 18 topics you will create multiple projects. I have mentioned only three ideas of the projects, like firstly fraud detection. Like you just want to check that you have a data. Okay, like you have a data of an insurance company, auto claim insurance company, like any company like Bajaj Insurance, ICC Insurance, Digit Insurance, any company that deals with the auto insurance claims. Like you have to predict that this person will actually have a actually need the money, or they actually apply for the auto insurance insurance claim or not. You just want to check that. Second, you will create a recommendation system. Recommendation system, like you have visited only any OTT platform like a Hotstar, Amazon, anything. Like you have watched some series related to your action. After that, you will get the recommendations. Like you have seen this video, so that's why you are getting this type of recommendation. These are the recommendations. Like same as if you visit on the YouTube, you will watch any videos related to the study. So these are the basic, like you will also create a project regarding the diabetics analysis. Like you will check that this person has this much of the insulin, this person have this type of the rate of the blood pressure, and you have to analyze that this person is affected with the diabetes or not. Third thing, like you just want to check that this person have a COVID some person have a COVID symptoms. Okay, you just want to check that this person is affected with COVID or not. Okay, like these type of the projects you will create with the help of these tools. Okay, after that, what you need, you have just need your laptop, desktop, or with high internet speed, and you have minimum requirement of a 4 GB RAM. Or if it is, will be more than a 4 GB, then it will be a plus point for you. Okay, because Python is also open source, and Hadoop is also an open source. We have to purchase, we have to work on the Tableau. This is a little bit heavy software, and Excel is already present in your systems. Okay, and SAS is also a light software, so you don't have become a panic, or you don't have to spend a lot of money on your system. Okay, so simply you need a 4 GB or RAM. If it will be a more than a 4 GB, then it will be a plus point for you. Okay, so after that you will get the course resources within the form of the PPTs, and something like course material, like you have to like something homework or assignment that you will get, that will also in the form of the doc file or the PDF file, so after also in the PPT folder. And if you will get any if I will share any particular doc file or any course material related to any topic, that will be in the PDF or a document file also. Okay, so you will get the course resources either in the PPT, PDF or a document file. Okay, if there will be any other file, then I will tell you how you will open that particular file. Okay, so after that, each and every student will learn this course for their interview. To crack their interview, they will get they will get a good salary package. So for that, there are some questions related to the interviews, like how you will get the how you will get now how different what type of the questions you will get from an interviewer. Like if I tell that ki if the first two or three questions are related to your Python and machine learning. After two questions are related to your tabula, and further questions are related to your SAS. Like in the SAS, how you will create the macros, how the micro variables are created. Macros, I think you are familiar. If you are not, then we will also cover the macro part in our Excel. So I will give you a like one or two. I will give you a brief introduction about the macro means. Like I just want to add the numbers, or I just want to add the columns in our Excel. Okay, so I don't need to write the same command for again and again. Okay, I just record these two or three steps, and after it I will run that thing. Like that particular steps I will record it into my macro, and I will simply run that button uh, how many time I just want. Okay, so this will be the macro part. After that, there are the certifications. Like if you are well and you afford these type of the certification, though these certification are globally valid certification, there are a lot of the certification I have mentioned little bit. Like firstly, Google certification, IBM also provide a certificate. So first and third certification are related to your data science. TensorFlow development developer certification is also related to your data science. And data analyst master program, that will a fourth, that will later to your Tableau. Okay, so these four are the basic certifications regarding to your data science. There are a lot of the other companies that provide the professional certifications. Okay, so after that, you will get the certification course completion certificate. In this, you will get your name after you will completed the training on this particular topic, particular signature, date, and certification ID, and you will verify this particular certificate from our website. This is all about our particular data science, like what we will study in this course, and how we will do each and everything. We will discuss the roadmap about that. That it's. Thank you.